Hello everyone, welcome back to another R tutorial video. And in this video I want to continue our discussion on tmap. And if you remember, we left off talking about constructing a very basic map with tmap. And we talked about tm shape, and then we went through three different geometries that you would add onto that to tell tmap what to do with the data. And this is similar to that idea with ggplot, where you had the ggplot call that had the data, and then you had the geom calls that controlled what you actually made out of it. And so we talked about polygons in the last video. And in this video, I want to quickly talk about lines. So we can make a map with lines. Now with lines, you have a little bit less flexibility in terms of the geometry calls. You still need to pass the data into tm shape, right? Tm shape is always the first thing you're going to do. And in this case, we're going to call in the roads layer, or the roads data set, which if you remember, we had to project it. So we now have the roads data set. And then when we were dealing with polygons, remember we had fill, borders, and polygons. With lines, we only really have to worry about one, and that's tm lines. And again, there's all kinds of parameters inside of tm lines that we can use to customize, but that's all going to come later. And so if we run this code, we don't get any errors, which is always a good sign. And then if we run map underscore lines, and we scroll down, you'll see that we've generated the line data set for the roads, with the roads being these black lines. So again, I know this is a little bit shorter video. It builds a lot off of the polygon video. So if you didn't watch the polygon video, I encourage you to go back and watch that one as well. If any of this didn't make sense, I encourage you to pause the video, go back, watch the parts that you're confused about. And as always, please reach out. Thank you.